AJ Adventures, and we've been receiving a ton of emails about the AHL cylinder kit for the Kawasaki KLX250. Due to life stuff, we haven't been able to fully commit to the project just yet, but today we're going to give you a quick update about the build and give you a brief introduction to the bike. The bike is a 1996 Kawasaki KLX250. We were at the right place at the right time because the owner, he took it to a shop to get the original cylinder fixed because he was having issues with it, but it cost too much to fix it, and so he posted the ad on Craigslist to say whoever wanted it, come and get it, and so we did. As far as the build goes, we decided not to use the AHL gasket that came with the AHL kit because it looks a little too cheap for us. So we don't want to take it all apart again after we rebuilt it because it would fail. So right now we're deciding whether or not to send the head out to get the valves done professionally or to do it just by ourselves. If you want to follow us on this journey to rebuilding the KLX, please feel free to subscribe. We have plenty of plans for this bike. We have plenty of new parts to put on it, and my brother and I will be posting videos about these two bikes back here, the Honda 250R and the Yamaha TTR 125L. So we'd love to have you along for the ride, so please subscribe and we'll post as often as we can.